माय चैनल। तो आज हम रेड द टाइटल यू नो आज की वीडियो में क्या होने वाला है। सो आई नो इट्स अ स्ट्रगल फॉर एवरी गर्ल टू बाय गिफ्ट्स फॉर हर ब्रदर, डैड, बॉयफ्रेंड, हस्बैंड। इट्स हेल ऑफ अ टास्क. So I thought this video might be a bit helpful because मैंने कुछ out of the box नहीं दिखाया है इसमें. Very basic things, but you can consider them as options. So I thought why not make this. So if you're interested to know, then please keep on watching. So a small story before starting that I planned this whole thing on 2nd of July and 3rd of July is his birthday. So I had exactly one day in my hand. And I stay in Pune और यहाँ पे malls अभी भी सारे बंद है. Like no single mall is opened. So the only thing that was open next to my house, like nearby, was Lifestyle because it's a single store that was open, and my other option was Dorabji's. Yeah, I know it's not a place to buy gifts from, but I had no option. And Lifestyle में ज़्यादा कुछ मिलता नहीं है, मतलब सिर्फ कपड़े ही मिलेंगे. And so these were my two options, and I thought of going to Lifestyle first. कि I'll see वहाँ पे कितना maximum stuff I can get, so remaining whatever I can buy from Dorabji. So I went there first. Lifestyle was such a fail. There was nothing good over there. Like, I mean it when I say this. I mean, I'm this person who shops very fast, but I was there for 2 hours and still there was nothing in my hand. Like, कुछ भी पसंद नहीं आ रहा था और ऐसे भी नहीं था कि कोई सेल चल रही है कि मैं कुछ भी उठा लूँ like in cheaper prices, but everything was expensive and not good. So that's a tough decision to take. So I ended up buying something that I'll show you later. So after buying 2 things from Lifestyle, I quickly went to Dorabji's. Like it's very close to my house. Then I went over there and वहाँ पे जाते समय I was thinking, I was like, what am I doing? यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ मिलने भी वाला है या नहीं? But I did get my hands on a few useful things. Obviously घर का सामान मिलता है उधर बहुत ज़्यादा. So I did get a few useful good things which I'll just show you in a bit. Coming home, my brother was like, next day we had a small party at home, so he's like, we had to go buy a few things, and it was a weekend, so weekend पे बंद रहेगा सब, so we had to go like on the 2nd only. So then we quickly went and bought all the essentials and came back home, and we got these nachos and this dip. You should definitely give it a try. It's a jalapeno and cheese dip and with our normal Doritos, and dude, it's amazing. Okay, anyways, that's not the point. I've wasted enough of your time with the whole blabbering part. Now let's just jump right in the actual video. So the first thing that you actually do for anybody's birthday is cut a cake at 12 o'clock, which is like a mandatory thing. So उसके लिए you can just bake a cake instead of getting it बाहर से. मतलब बाहर से तो कल cake anyways आएगा. So रात का cake you can just bake it yourself because it's a cute gesture for somebody. So yeah, you can. So the first option is that bake a cake for the 12 o'clock cake cutting. So I am okay-ish at baking, but my friend is amazing. She stays like right next door. So I thought I'll take her help and we both will bake. So we baked a cake for him for the 12 o'clock thing. Forgot to film it रात को while cutting and everything. So yeah, I'm really sorry for that. But yeah, we had fun. She baked the cake and it was amazing, like really good. So we cut the cake, we watched like a movie till 3 o'clock, 4 of us, and then we call it a night. So I quickly woke up the next day and I wrapped up all the gifts because मुझे time नहीं मिला था previous day ये करने को. And then when he woke up around 10:30, I gave him his first gift, which was a coffee mug. So if the guy is a coffee lover, you can totally give coffee mugs because it's a very nice option because वो रोज सुबह उठ के use करेंगे. So yeah, so I got this mug. It says Canon Zoom Lens. It's a lens cup. I'm sure आपने देखा होगा, बहुत ही अच्छा है and I really like it. Like ever since I saw it, I wanted to get it. But yeah, I am not a coffee person, so I thought I'll get it for him. He also really liked it, so it's a really good option. Yeah. You can have so he had his first coffee in the mug itself and it was nice. Then after that, the second thing that you can do is make breakfast. So yeah, then I quickly made his favorite pancakes and he had a nice time in the morning. It was a good start for the birthday. I forgot to mention, you can go for the Starbucks coffee mugs. They are really nice. They're a little expensive, but I'm sure the quality is very good. So even that is a really nice gifting option. And then after that, he was going to go for shower when I gave him his next gift, which was this shower gel and hand wash का combo from Fiamma. I'm sure बहुत लोगों ने already use किया हुआ है. It's a very nice. There were a lot of other options, but ये कैसे packed था. So I was like, oh, this is nice to give. So I didn't even think twice. I just bought it. Plus it's for 199, like 200 rupees में दो चीजें आ गई, which is so nice. Plus yeah, I don't know why I like the packaging of this. It's so nice. So I got this. So if the guy loves products like these, like shower gels and everything, you can opt for that. It's a really nice gifting option because again ये बहुत useful चीजें हैं. You can go for the Bath and Body Works also, and that is really nice. I'm sure that won't disappoint anyone. So if the person you're gifting actually likes is into a lot of self-care products and stuff, all of that, so you can opt for a lot of things, like a lot of options are there. I don't know why, it's just like, you know, when it comes to girls we buy all these things, for guys we never do. So yeah, I also end up buying this shampoo combo. Actually, this is not a combo, ये अलग था और ये अलग था. It's just that I bought them साथ में. This is Streaks का hair serum and this is the Streaks का shampoo. Both the things are really nice. He genuinely loved them, and yeah, we've never tried this before. So you can go for like different products, experiment. It's just nice. Plus, this smells so good. Like I'm planning to get a bigger bottle. So who doesn't like using new products? Like, so I gave all the things in the morning itself before shower, and then he used them all up. So it was nice for him, I guess. Then after that, once he was out of shower, I gave him the t-shirt that I got, which I do not like. But you, whatever clothes, if you end up getting any clothing item, you can just give it after shower so that person can wear it and just feel good. So I gave this to him, and I do not like it so much. It was a very forceful buy. But yeah, the color is nice. It's from Code and it's for 900 rupees. Then I gave this to him. After shower, it was around 1:30. It was lunch time, and I thought, why not surprise him with his current favorite food for lunch. So yeah, just make sure it's a surprise, because why not? So the motto of the whole day was to make the person feel special throughout, and I think it was going really well. So yeah, you can totally surprise the birthday person with their favorite lunch. I placed an order for this Ferrero Rocher cake. So I picked that up, and on the way I got him his favorite momos, and it was really cool because he actually did not expect कि ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है. उसको seriously लगा था कि घर पे ही बन रहा है खाना. But then I came and then I got him the momos. He was really hungry, like he was so hungry and super happy to see momos. And then yeah, we just sat and quickly had our lunch. So the momos were so spicy. So after that I gave him his next gift, which had all kinds of chocolates, all his favorite chocolates. So if you know, the Rabji's में एक section होता है जहाँ पे सिर्फ chocolates होता है. मैं पूरी पागल हो जाती हूँ when I go over there. So I got him all his favorite chocolates and I wrapped them up together and I gave it to him after lunch. Chocolates are never less on birthdays, so you can totally go and gift chocolates. So yeah, after that it was around 3:34. All of us just sitting and talking. Then around 4 o'clock his friend came home and I told her to take him for a ride or something, so that me and my friend could decorate the house. So yeah, she did take him out and they went to this Babdev Ghat. It's a really nice place, very close to my house. And they went over there. That time it was proper drizzling, so it was a really nice weather and my brother loves to ride. So yeah, they went for a ride. It was again nice only. I'm sure they enjoyed. I don't have any clips from that. Around 4 to 5 के बीच में me and my friend decorated the whole house and they gone for a ride. So then when they came back, like when he came back, it was a nice surprise for him. उसको पता नहीं था again कि ये हो रहा है इधर. So yeah, मैं वो भी shoot करना भूल गई. Out of excitement, I forgotten a lot of things like to shoot. But yeah, it was nice surprise for him. I turned the AC off. It was making a lot of noise. I'm really sorry for that. Anyways, let's continue. I was talking about decorations. So yeah, he came home and he was really surprised to see the decorations. So yeah, I mean birthday तो decoration तो होना ही चाहिए. So yeah, you can do that too. Then everybody went back home to get ready and we met around 7:30 again. And yeah, then we just got this party started. It was a lot of fun. We drank and danced a lot till 12:30 and we were drained by 12:30 and very hungry. Then we had our dinner. Then after dinner we called it a night. We were just so done. We were just listening to music and eating till 2 I think, and then we just called it a night. So this is how I spent his birthday and that's my day. So this is how the day went. I genuinely really liked it and I hope it was helpful for you all to pick up any options here and there. So yeah, I think that's it. If you just enjoyed this video and found it a bit helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.